Real quick this morning, I thought you guys could help me kind of get my lunch and breakfast ready to go for work, and I'll show you what I've packed today. I'm going to make this like flatbread sandwich thing. Yeah, so bear with me. I'm using these Keto flatbreads I got at the Walmart. I'm going to hit it with a little, that wasn't me, light mayo. That's about a tablespoon of mayo for your reference. Going in with a couple ounces of turkey breast. All right, some turkey peps. Y'all know I love these. All right, some red onion. Then some sweet peppers. Ooh, I know what we need. Hold on. I'm going to hit it with that parm first. I already got it out. Banana peppers. Okay, you might try to get it on the actual flatbread. We need some tomatoes. Get out of the way. Okay, that's probably enough. I'm still not done. Lettuce. Or parm, because why not? And then sauce her up. I'm telling you, you got to sauce your food up, okay? Zesty Italian, fat-free, Kraft. That's the one I like. Hit her. Not really, but you know. No, I really think we need the mozz. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do the mozz, like a tablespoon. Okay. That was horrible wrapping up skills. Sorry. All right. I just made this blueberry cheesecake protein milkshake. Got a coffee I've been sipping on. This one is Snickers. Taking that. Then, for brekkie, low-carb, high-protein sausage gravy and biscuits. Yeah. I should have the recipe up on here. Cinnamon roll, strawberries, recipe on here. Mini sweet peppers with my protein ranch, just in case. Protein ranch is Greek yogurt, ranch seasoning, or you can use blended cottage cheese and ranch seasoning. This one's Greek yogurt, though. Did I forget anything? Probably did. I probably forgot something, knowing me. But I'm going to go ahead. We're pushing on time, but I made it. So this is how a typical morning goes for me. I'm a little stressed. So, yeah, now you know. Why I always forget my one for good measure. So good. But that's it. We're ready to go. I'll pack up some of my water packet drink mixes, and that's what I have while I'm at work. I probably don't eat all of it, obviously, but good start at least.